What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I am so excited to add this real estate investment trust to my dividend portfolio on Monday. I love the growth. These are one of the biggest REITs out there. Remember, with a real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make go back to investors. That's what excites me. I don't want to do all the handy dandy work, clean toilets, wash windows, clean out fridges, worry about my tenants. These guys do it for me. This is why I like investing in real estate investment trusts. Remember, 90% of what they make go back to shareholders. That's one thing that's very exciting. That's one thing I always wanted to invest in real estate, and then I learned about real estate investment trusts. The one thing about REITs is, say like if I made $500 with this REIT a year, I have to report that as $500 in income. So a lot of people like putting real estate investment trust in a traditional and/or Roth IRA because that income is, they're not going to get taxed on that. That is one advantage of having a REIT in a IRA or traditional IRA. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this real estate investment trust out right now. That real estate investment trust I went after is American Tower Corporation. It's sitting at $159.57. I will do a review on them. I'm very excited to reveal to you a lot of information on them. Average volume is 2.04 million. The market cap is 74.38 billion US dollars. Its year range is 154.58 to 235.57. Look at that dip. And look at how it's done against the S&P in the past 5 years. It's doing very well, and all of a sudden it's in a decline. So that's exciting for me as a dividend investor to really start buying them. Day range is 154.58 to 160.46. Its previous close was 158.71. Now let's check these guys out. So one thing I want to go over is American Tower Corporation is they have 226,000 global sites. They're a global provider of wireless communications infrastructure. They offer solutions and services to deploy and support wireless networks in 25 countries located in 6 continents. Looking at this map, this is huge. And one thing I like about REITs, bigger is better. Now, with Prologis versus Stag Industrial, Prologis is way bigger. Their dividend growth is strong. I'm going to go over the dividend growth with American Tower, but I want to go over a few more things with American Tower that I really like. I like their vision, which is building a connected world. Their mission, which is to lead wireless connectivity around the globe, to innovate for a mobile future, to drive efficiency throughout the industry and grow their assets and capabilities to meet customer needs. I also like their principles. Understand the customer's needs to satisfy them, hire good people and empower them, focus on solutions, not problems, do what we say we're going to do. So they're going to talk the talk, walk the walk, have fun, and play to win. Look, I'm having fun investing in American Tower, so I'm going to go over a few trends with them as to why I'm buying them. Revenue-wise, this is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, $5,785. 2017, $6,663. 2018, $7,440. 2019, $7,580. 2020, $8,041. 2021, $9,356. And 2022, $10,711. So if the revenue goes up, that's always a good thing with the real estate investment trust. And remember, 90% of what they make go back to shareholders or investors. So that's the one thing that's very positive. I'm going to go over a few more things. And I am on finbox.com. Now, these are the trends of the funds for operations. American Tower's funds for operations increased in 2022. It was up 11.1%, $5.279 billion. Looking back after the past 5 years, American Tower's funds from operations peaked in December 22nd at $5.279 billion. American Tower's latest 12 months of funds for our operations is $4.46 billion. So this is just some data from 2022, and you're seeing the trend go up each time. Unfortunately, there's no data there, but right here in 2021, it has gone up over time. So 2021 it was 4.753 billion, and then 2022 is 5.279 billion. So remember, FFO is extremely important with real estate investment trusts. So be aware of that. So I'm going to jump to the most recent news from American Tower. So a few things I want to go over with their highlights of the second quarter. The third quarter, it appears, will be right on the 26th of October. Their total revenue increased from 3.6% to 2,772 million. Property revenue increased 4.4% to 2,729 million. AFFO attributable to AMT common stockholders decreased from 0.4% to 1,151 million. Big deal. Right here, we consolidated organic tenant growth. Tenant billings growth exceeded 6% for the second consecutive quarter. Solid leasing in our U.S. data center segment, try saying that 10 times fast, and demonstrated a focus on cost controls, all supporting strong growth and attractive margin expansion. Additionally, we deliver another quarter of approximately 10% dividend per share growth while making significant progress toward strengthening our investment grade balance sheet. As a result, we are pleased to raise our full year outlook for property revenue, adjusted EBITDA, and attributable FFO. So I like FFO and AFFO. I really like. That's one thing I really focus on with REITs. As a 5G investment cycle continues, we believe our portfolio globally distributed communication assets is well positioned to drive sustained elevated leasing growth, which combined are focused on cost management, capital allocation, discipline, and dividend growth, sets up well to deliver attractive shareholder returns over the long run. So this is what Tom Bartlett, American's chief executive officer, said. So here's a few things. So AFFO to AMT and common stockholders, the growth rate was 0.4%. It was 1,151. The AFFO attributable to AMT common stockholders per share, 2.46 or $2.46. That was 2% growth rate right now. So I also want to go over a few things with capital expenditures. During the second quarter of 2023, total capital expenditures were approximately 417 million, which was 34 million was from non-discretionary capital improvements and corporate capital expenditures. I like their acquisitions, which is big too. During the second quarter of 2023, the company spent approximately 30 million to acquire 60 communication sites, as well as other communications infrastructure assets, primarily in France and Spain. So they're expanding everywhere. This is what I really like. And I'm going to jump to the dividend history. So check out this incredible dividend growth. We're going to start in 2012. It was 21 cents to 22 cents to 23 cents to 24 cents. This is a quarterly dividend, real estate investment trust. 2013, 26 cents, 27 cents, 28 cents, 2013, 29 cents, 32 cents in 2014, 34 cents, 36 cents, 2015, 38 cents they start at, 2015, 42 cents, 44 cents, 46 cents, 49 cents. I'm going to keep on going, but I'm going to start at 2019 now because their growth is just so fast and it would take forever to do this video for you. 2019, it was 84 cents to 90 cents to 92 cents to 95 cents. Then 2020, even during the pandemic, there was dividend growth, 101, then 108, then 110, and then 114. Then at the start of 2021, it was 121, 124, 127, 131, 139. And then in 2022, it was 140, 143, 147, then 156 in 2023, and then 157, and then 162. They have a payout ratio, according to Zacks, at 65%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 19. Dividend growth in 5 years is 15.10%. That's a lot. If you bought one share, you made $6.28 with a 3.94% dividend yield. So I am excited to have my Yield max ETFs, distribution, buy them. I'm dollar cost averaging on Monday. I'm throwing $500 in, and I'm excited to buy this real estate investment trust. So let me know what you think with my purchase. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Try to be as basic as possible. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. This YouTube channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Seek professional advice from a financial advisor or somebody to give financial advice. Investing is a big risk, so make sure you do your due diligence on investing. Make sure, again, you seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. I am not giving financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. If you ask me a question on that, I am not giving financial advice. I just want to be clear. I'm just showing you my dividend investing strategy. I show you my rationales, and I provide entertainment purposes for you with my dividend growth and dividend investing journey. I hope you take care and have a great Sunday.